In the beginning of last year, I got introduced to YouTube automations, and it has been a life-changing moment for me. I run several Faceless YouTube accounts that are earning me over $5,000 every month from ad revenue alone, and I'm not mentioning other methods that I have found to monetize these channels. After watching this video, you will have all the info and tools you need to start making at least $10,000 a month from YouTube. It's not that hard, but you still need to not skip any steps, so you can fully get the whole information. Step 1 is to find the right niche. But for this video, I have already done the research and found the perfect niche with no competition. In the past 4 months, this channel posting faceless short videos has earned over $37,000. Only in the last month, they have published only 16 videos and have gained over 700,000 subscribers. Check this out, last week on Tuesday, they got over 5 million views only on one day. That's insane, right? Now what they do is they make AI videos of a disabled duck helping other animals in need. These videos are so cute and the audience just can't get enough of it. And I'm going to show you step by step how to make these videos for free using AI. This niche, it's new, so you better start as soon as you watch this whole video, but don't forget, you need to watch the whole video to get the full information and start printing money. And if you really find this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Alright, so the first step is to generate the idea. For that, we are going to use ChatGPT. But just before we start writing on ChatGPT, let's get some screenshots of the current videos just to give ChatGPT an example. Go to this channel and get some screenshots out of it. Let's do just this one here. This is the screenshot that I got now. Let's go to ChatGPT and upload that image. Then write this text. I have attached a picture for you as an example. Go to this topic and write me 10-seed prompt like this. A disabled duckling helps his puppy friend. Now that ChatGPT writes 10 great ideas, and that's it. Now it's time to generate the images, and for that, we are going to use Leonardo AI. You have the link on the description, click it, and log in with your email. This tool gives free fast tokens daily for us to use and generate images, which I found pretty amazing. Then let's go to image creation and start copying and pasting all the prompts that ChatGPT gave us. Don't be discouraged if the first images are not perfect. Small changes on the prompt can make huge differences. So make sure you test little changes on the prompt yourself to make the images better. Let's fast forward until I finish generating all the prompts. Now we have the next exciting step. We need to turn these images into video. For that, we have a ton of options like Pika Kling AI, Runway, Luma, Haluo. But for this, we are going to go with Haluo. We have free generations from this tool, and the generations are of high quality. But for myself, I have already subscribed to one of their plans since I need it to run my other channels, and it has unlimited generations. Anyway, let's now click on Create, where we can upload the images, and also we need to add the prompt too. You can go to Leonardo AI and press this plus icon and get the enhanced prompt that Leonardo has created for each image. And this will help Haluo generate better videos. With the free version, you can upload up to 3 videos at the same time, and with a paid version, you can create up to 5 videos at the same time. Once the video generations are done, you need to download all of them and put them together on an editor. There are a lot of tools that we can use, but the one I use the most, and it's free, is CapCut. This tool allows you to create amazing videos by adding cool effects, transition text, etc., and it's very user-friendly. If you're still here watching, then you are one step closer, making $10,000 a month, but make sure you stick till the end. Now let's open CapCut and click Create New Project, add them on the time frame, set the ratio to 9:16, so it fits the shorts format. Adjust the scale of all clips now to make the video more dynamic and to tell the story better. You have the chance to add effects to the video. You can explore more and check what works for your videos and what doesn't. What is really necessary is the transitions we need to make a smooth transition between clips. And for that, I like the black fade transition added in between the clips and click apply to all to add it to all the clips now after you have fixed everything in terms of the footage. Another important part is the audio. We need to add relevant sounds like the sound of the duck or the sound of the dog or the cat. We also need to add an emotional background music for this. We can go to Upbeat, a tool that has free royalty sound effects and music that we can use to create our videos. Then we can go to music section and write for emotional music. Let's listen to this. That's pretty cool. We are going to download that one. For sound effects, we are going to search on the CapCut app for duck, puppy sounds and add into the timeline. Choose what's best for you and align to the videos. If you are satisfied with your editing, click on Export and export your video to your computer. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like below. See you in the next one.